My name is Tatiana Martinez. I decided to do a question about Hess's law and calculating the enthalpy change for Chapter 5, Question 1. So it's asking, using Hess's law, calculate the enthalpy change of the following reaction, and it gives us C6H4OH2, H2O2, C6H4O2 plus 2H2O. And then they give us the following equations, and we're going to have to try and make these equations look like this one. So we're first going to begin with seeing if the reactants and products are on the right side. So for the first one, we see that it is, because we have C6H4O2 on the reactant side on the formula we're trying to get. So we leave this one the same. For the next one, we are going to flip the reaction. And when we do that, that changes the enthalpy to positive. So I'm just going to write it down, H2O2 aqueous going to H2 gas plus O2 gas. And then the enthalpy changes from negative to positive 191.2 kilojoules per mole. And then for the next equation, we're going to be multiplying it by 2. So when we do that, we multiply the whole thing, including the enthalpy. So it's 2H2 gas plus O2, because when you multiply 2 times 1/2, that's 1. So plus O2 gas, and then 2H2O gas. And then when we multiply 241.8 times 2, we get negative 483.6 kilojoules per mole. And then for the last equation, we're just going to multiply by 2. So 2H2O gas going to 2H2O liquid. And when we do that, we get 43.8 times 2, which is negative 87.6 kilojoules per mole. And so now we're going to be canceling out. So we don't have to worry about these anymore. So I'm going to cross those out. And then we're going to be canceling. So we have 2H2O gas here, 2H2O gas there. So we're going to cancel those out. We have O2 gas here, O2 gas there. We're going to cancel those out. And then we need C6H4OH2 on this side. We need H2O2. So we're keeping these. And then we have 2 H2s and 2 H2s on the reactant side as well and on the product. So we're going to cancel these with these. And then we have 2H2O, C6H4O2, H2O2, and C6H4OH2. So that's the reaction we're wanting. So I'm just going to write it down here. C6H4O2 aqueous. And then once we add up all the enthalpies, this, and this, we should get the enthalpy change of negative 202.6 kilojoules per mole.